Now, the year-end holidays and celebrations all across the world have been overshadowed by a rising number of coronavirus cases. The Omicron variant is making headlines. Scientists and researchers across the world are still gathering more information on the new variant that was first detected in late November in South Africa. The Omicron variant is unprecedented for having 37 spike protein mutations. That is 3 to 5 times more mutations than any other variant. Increased mutations on the spike protein are important for two reasons here. First, because the spike protein, that is how the virus attaches to the cells and infects the human cells, which means the more the number of spike proteins, the easier it is to infect human cells. Secondly, because antibodies attack the spike protein, in order to neutralize the virus, higher spike protein makes it difficult for the antibodies to fight. Let's just also take a look at the symptoms that one could have if infected with the Omicron variant. Some of the common ones are scratchy throat, runny nose, sneezing, headache, mild to severe fatigue. But with winter season being the season of common cold and cough, differentiating these symptoms between common cold and COVID-19 of the Omicron variant could be tricky at this point. So some experts say that loss of smell rings the bell for COVID testing. So when do you get tested? Now, in case you experience these symptoms and have been part of a large gathering recently, you must consult a doctor and get tested. Again, in case you do have a travel history, you must get tested. A latest Hong Kong study offers a potential explanation for why Omicron spreads so rapidly, but may inflict less serious disease. The study says that this new variant multiplies faster in the human bronchi and slowly in the lung tissue. The bronchi are large airways that lead to the lungs. According to the study, Omicron replicated 70 times faster in the human bronchus than the Delta variant or the original strain. Meanwhile, the replication in human lung tissue, that was more than 10 times lower than the original strain, which indicates a lower severity of the disease. But given the extreme level of contagiousness of Omicron and its ability to get around people's immunity, we cannot afford to let our guards down at this point. Utmost precaution must still be taken to tackle the variant. Double vaccinations and boosters, if your governments allow it, must be taken. The World Health Organization has said that the Omicron variant is spreading faster than ever than the Delta variant as well, causing infections in people already vaccinated and even those who have recovered from COVID-19. The global health body has said that it would be unwise to conclude at this point that Omicron is milder than the previous variants. So with the numbers going up, health systems across the world that have still not recovered fully from the deadly Delta variant are going to be strained further. And even though it is the holiday season, we're back to the same reminder that rang through the year 2020 and 2021. Mask up. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.